Hi, this is Luke for Production Experts, and these are the new alignment enhancements in Oxford Drumgate 2 from Sonnox. Now, in Oxford Drumgate 2, I still get the intelligent detection and decay tabs, as well as MIDI output and leveling and hit clipping as well. But now I also get alignments that is better than ever, which you can really hear on my snare. So not just cleaner drums, but also drums that sum properly as well. So as before, you have instances across all of your mics. There are drum-specific selections for each instance. However, it's a good idea to use alignments only on your overhead track. And new in the alignment tab is the ability to select the time anchor and the phase reference individually. Now, as the time anchor, I've chosen the snare, but you can choose any key component in the kit or any component you like. But because my overheads are hearing just about everything, I've selected those as my phase reference. And I can see those decisions over here. Let's hit Analyze and run the audio. So the setup wizard basically walks you through everything and explains each stage as you go. And once the alignment is complete, it shows its decisions, so there's no mystery here about what it's doing. So with the new alignment features, I can click individual drums over to the left and see the amounts of phase rotation by frequency. Now, I always get 6 bands, but these are not arbitrary frequencies, so these are drum specific. And the 3 lower bands are narrower, so these are going to cover things like fundamental notes and where the low end and where the thump lives. But the upper 3 bands are much wider, and those are intended to catch comb filtering problems with things like overheads, for example. And to keep things simple, this window only shows up to 180 degrees of rotation, up to the line. And you can see that there's also some time offset in there as well. And if I just solo my snare drum mics and the overheads, you can hear that a simple polarity inversion on the snare bottom mic would not yield the same results that I'm getting with Oxford Drumgate 2 and its align function. Let me play you that so you'll hear unprocessed, then just a straight polarity inversion on the bottom mic, and then all of my alignment across all of my instances using Oxford Drumgate 2. So night and day there. Let's have a look at some of the other alignments and rotations. So quite a broad rotation through the middle on my kick. Not too much going on with the toms by the looks of it. But basically very, very comprehensive alignment, rotation and visual feedback as well. I can drag to rearrange mics between subgroups or groups of instruments within the kit. And with other quality of life improvements, including pre-analysis missing audio prompts, as well as full undo and redo, you get the same precision gating, leveling, MIDI generation, and advanced alignments that's even better than ever using Oxford Drumgate 2 from Sonnox. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to Production Expert.